Teacher going to show you how to do some of the question, okay? Then after that, you do the rest. Now, let's look at the question A, okay? So 6A, y equal to, now, first, let's look at the coefficient. This is a negative coefficient of the x squared term here. So, I indicate that it is a maximum curve, a maximum graph, okay? Maximum graph would be A, B, D, F, and G. Now, so we have shortlisted A, B, F, and G. Next, we're going to look at the maximum point, or we call it the maximum y value. From here, we know it is 3. Out of this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's look for the one which has a 3. Okay, maximum value is 2. This one, B, this 2, this 1, so this same space, so this 1. Then we look at D, the maximum value is 0 for y. This one maximum value is 1 here. So the maximum y value is 1. Now, so all these A, B, D, F doesn't meet the requirement. Now next, let's look at G. This 2, this 1, 2, this 3. So this point here, the maximum value is 3. The y value is 3. So it meets the requirement. Okay. Now just to confirm whether it meets at the maximum value, does it meet the x coordinate? Okay. So at the maximum point, x plus 1 is equal to 0. X plus 1 equal to 0. This whole thing is 0. X become minus 1. Let's check. This is minus 1. We go up here. Okay, so yes, it's minus 1. So for A, 6A, the graph that represented is graph G. Okay. Now, let's go and look for another one. F. Okay. Six F. Y equal to 1/3 or x plus 3 square minus 3. Okay, here there's another piece of information that we can confirm. Okay, now we want to find the y-intercept. Y-intercept is when x equal to 0. So look at this quadratic function here. When x equal to 0, is minus 1 plus 3 equal to 2. Let's confirm at graph G. Does it pass through y-intercept 2? Yes. So should this have confirmed 6A is graph G. Now similarly, I look at maximum. Let's look at whether it's a maximum or minimum curve. The coefficient of the x squared term is positive. Positive means it's a minimum. Minimum graph. Okay. Let's look at the turning point or the vertex. Means this point here. Okay. So the turning point is equal to obviously x plus 3 equal to 0, so therefore x equal to minus 3, and then this value is the maximum y value, so this minus 3. Okay. Now another piece of information is y-intercept. Y-intercept is when x equal to 0. What do you get for y? Okay, so when x equal to 0, this, if you work it out, substitute x equal to 0, you will get 0. Okay. Now let's look for minimum point is 1. Is minimum. Y-intercept is 0. And then the turning point is minus 3 minus 3. Minus 3. Then is here. Minus 3. X also minus 3. Okay. So therefore, 6F is actually graph C. Okay, graph C. Next, one very key thing is you realize that the coefficient of the x squared term, the bracket x squared term, we only use it to see whether it's positive or negative. Somebody is negative, somebody is positive. This value here, okay, the coefficient of the x squared, I mean the bracket square term, doesn't play any role, okay, in finding the corresponding quadratic function with respect to the graph. Now, so next one would be y. Okay, so for this one, which is g, you convert into a completed square format, x plus 0, x square here can be x plus 0, x square, and then plus 0, not return. So from here you know it's a maximum, maximum graph because negative, and then the turning point is 0, x plus 0 equal to 0, so x becomes 0, okay. Y is 3 plus 0 here, then the y-intercept is when x equal to 0, y becomes 0. So from here you can see clearly the graph is this one, okay. Maximum curve, turning point is 0, 0, y-intercept also 0. So this is 6G, actually graph D. Okay, that's it. The rest, please do it on your own.